Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with Click Trade Bro. Now, Piplogic in the last two trading sessions literally made 60%. That is fire. Piplogic is a company that I've been letting trade one of my accounts, and they've been doing really well since March of this year. So I've been with them for a while. But one of the trading days this week, they had a massive, massive loss. And I was wondering how they're going to bounce back from that. Now, it wasn't their fault. It was caused by a Cloudflare issue that kind of happened all over the internet. So it wasn't, they're not the only ones that were affected, but I was really curious how they're going to bounce back. But in the last two trading days, they have literally showed that they can even bounce back from even a loss, right? So I'm showing you my account here. My account right now is sitting at about 360, started with about 500. And if you watch my last video, it had literally dropped to about $226. All right, so $226 it was last video. Now it's at 360. If I calculate the percentage gain on that, that's almost a 60% increase. So that's amazing. They're predicting that by the end of next week, they would have bounced back fully in terms of us hitting break even and then on to profits after that. But for the people that like joined literally after this massive drop, they're in huge profits. Like I had a buddy of mine that literally joined I think it was yesterday, and his account right now is sitting at about 40% in profits, which is crazy phenomenal. So I'll just read this message from them today. So they said, as you're all aware, there was a global Cloudflare outage that resulted in a loss this week. Reports will be sent like this until we fully recover, which is looking like next week. Again, that is really, I'm really happy about that. The master account achieved a 38% gain today using the lowest lot size and very safe risk management. No aggressive or reckless risk taken was used to achieve this. So they had kept the lot sizes down. It wasn't any crazy reckless behavior. So while maintaining consistency, they were still able to achieve these results. Member status. So if you joined from the beginning before 11 a.m. Eastern time on November 18, you are in recovery mode with about 10.8% left to reach break even. We were already up 21% before the loss. Given today's results, recovery is expected to complete soon. If you join after 11 a.m. Eastern on the 18th, you are already plus 61% in profit with zero losses. Joining today and onward, you start in profit with no losses. Moving forward, we'll continue trading with the same proven strategy and strong risk management. Now, without relying, this is the important part. Now, without relying on any cloud or technical service software, which I'm really happy about, right? Because before, they have a team of expert traders, and before they were trading manually, right? And then, but moving on to a different platform, Lyrinex now. They had wanted to add the EA, which they added, and they were copying trades through their cloud services or through like some cloud services. I don't know which third party they're using, but that because of the issue that happened with Cloudflare, that caused some issues. So I'm really happy that they're going back to what was working before, and that's the really important part, right? Because man, if you watch like last what was it when I dropped my video? I think it was like Tuesday of this week or something like that, or Monday. I think it was, yeah, either Monday or Tuesday. But I was bummed out. I was like, oh man, what a dip. And I kind of wish that they would go back to the way that they were trading because from March it was literally profit after profit after profit after profit. And now they're going back to that method that they were using before. So I'm really excited about that. I'll continue posting updates so that you guys are, always updated and stuff like that. But I'm really happy about this. So if I go back to the percentage growth here, so you can see that, so today was about 38%, which was amazing. I will go to the trades that happened today. So if I go to trade records and go to close trades, you can see, and they only trade gold, right? They trade gold. So for the 21st, it was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 trades. One trade made about $29, so about almost $30 there. $10 here, $13, $10 here, $10 here, and $12 here, and $7.26 all for about almost a 40% gain just today alone, guys. And honestly, like in the world of trading forex, that is a crazy number. I'm not gonna lie, that's a crazy number, and it's crazy gain. So I'm really super excited about this. It looks like we're now on the trajectory back to that upward path of the road to recovery, right? The road to recovery, and then from there, profits. So I'm really, really excited about that. I wanted to drop you guys a quick video just to let you know the update of that. If you're looking to join Pip, the details are below. So I have instructions below on how to join that. There's a link to register for Lyrinex. And in my other video, which I'll link below in the description of this video, you can follow that as well for instructions on how to join. And depending on the time that you're watching this video, I may also have a link tree link in the description, which shows you step by step exactly how to join. But the first step is registering for Lyrinex. So I have the links in the description. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. But guys, onward and upwards, man. The road to success is glorious. So let's take it in, guys. Let's take it in. All right. God bless. Have a good one.